Good day everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. What I have today is how to make this baby booties shoe sew. Can you see? Now we have different kinds of crocheting baby booties sew. Now you discover that this one is another unique one. It's different from other ones I've released in my video. You discover that the midpoint here is a bit wide, the half of it is a bit wide, while coming to the down part is narrow. So that makes this particular one unique. So in this video you are going to learn how I actually achieved this. So it's a very nice and a simple one to make. All you need to do is to watch this tutorial to the end, and you discover that once you practice it, you will get it. Thanks for watching. So right now I'm going to make a stitch knot. So I'm going to chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Haven't chained 15. I'm going to yarn it over like so. Then I insert into the second loop. This is the first loop, this is the second loop. I insert into this second loop with double crochet, double crochet. So double crochet in the next 14 loops. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till we get to the 14, the last one. Now this is 13 double crochet which I've made up to this end. Now we are left with 1. So in that one left, which is this one, so I will be making 5 double crochet in this last loop. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. So I've made 5 double crochet in that last loop. So right now we are going to proceed. I've made 5 double crochet in this last loop, so we are going to proceed now. So I will be making in the next, I shall be making 13 double crochet in this place. 13. So let's start. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, then 13. So in this 13 I will be making 5 double crochet in this last one. So I've made one, so I'm going to make another 4, making 5 in this last loop. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to slip stitch right here. I make a slip stitch right here. So having made a slip stitch right there, I'm going to chain 1, and you see. So right now we are going to start another round. So I will be making, in the next 13 loops, I will be making double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 'til I get to the last one there. Now as you can see, I've made the 12 double crochet. So right now I'm going to proceed. So I will be making the 5 loops that we made the other time. Each of these 5 loops, I will be making 2 double crochet in each of the 5 loops we have here. So So 1, 2. So in this first one, I've made 2 double crochet in this very loop. So I proceed to the next loop where I shall be making 2 double crochet in that loops too. This is 1, then 2. And you see, so I'll proceed 2 double crochet in this loop as well, till I get to the 5th one. So I've got to the 5th one where I also make 2 double crochet in this. So here I have the total of 10 double crochet which I made in these 5 loops. So I'm going to proceed. I will be making 12 double crochet in each of these loops in the next 12 double crochet. So now, as you can see, I've made 12, yes, double crochet in each of these the 12 loops here. So right now I'm left with these 5. So in each of these 5 loops I will be making 2 double crochet in each of these 5, which gives me the total of 10 double crochet. So we proceed. One, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 2 double crochet. 1, 2. So I can now slip stitch. I'm going to make a slip stitch right there. And you see, so this is our end product. So simple to make. This is the back, so neat. So like I said earlier, I said it's something you can make yourself. All you need to do is to watch the tutorial to the end. and practice it yourself. So far so good. We have come to the end of this tutorial. If you like this video, you click on the liking button just to appreciate my work. And if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel and put on your notification bell so that you get notified each time I release a new video. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Bye for now.